how to unlike all reels on Instagram at once. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to unlike all reels on Instagram at once. Alright, so let's begin. Unlike all reels on Instagram at once is the action of removing your likes from multiple reels videos simultaneously. Over time, you may have liked a number of reels videos and now you wish to clean up your liked content to maintain privacy. So, to unlike all reels on Instagram at once, first open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Once you're in the Instagram newsfeed, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the menu icon, which consists of three horizontal lines located in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, tap on your activity again. Scroll down further until you find the interaction section, then tap on likes. Here you'll see a list of all the posts, including reels that you've liked. To filter in view only the reels that you've liked, tap on the All Content Type filter at the top of the screen. A menu will appear. Select Reels from the options. Now you'll see only the Reels videos that you've liked. To unlike all Reels at once, either long press on a specific video or tap on Select from the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on each reel that you want to unlike. Selected reels will have a check mark. Once you've selected all the reels you want to unlike, tap on the Unlike button located at the bottom of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear asking for confirmation. Tap on Unlike. By following these simple steps, you will remove your likes from all the selected reels at once. So that's basically how you can unlike all reels on Instagram at once. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.